Did you interact with any juror in an attempt to influence their view of the facts in the State v. Murdaugh case?
No.
Did you tell the jury not to be fooled by evidence presented by Mr. Murdaugh's attorneys?
I did not.
At any time, did you instruct the jury to watch him closely and look at his actions?
I did not.
At any time, did you instruct the jury or tell the jury to look at his movements?
No.
At any time, as the jury moved to deliberate, did you tell the jury this shouldn't take long?
No.
At any time, did you tell the jury that the defense case, watch out for the defense case, they're going to try to throw you off, or anything along those lines that was meant to influence the jurors against Mr. Murdaugh?
No.
Do you have any contact with the juries or have any substantive discussion with them?
Not at all.
Did you have any discussion with them about logistics, about staying in a hotel or anything like that?
I did not.
Did you have any interaction with the jurors or anything to do with them having smoke breaks or anything like that?
I did not.
When did you first decide you were going to write a book?
I think a thought was there, a very fleeting thought before the trial.
Did you take any steps before the trial or at the initiation of the trial to begin writing this book or working with somebody on this book?
Oh, no, sir.
When did you and your co-author get together?
It was several weeks after the trial.
Okay. Did you talk to anybody about the fact you were going to write a book before the trial?
There were several anchors and several journalists that I did speak with about the possibility of writing a book.
In your book, you indicated a number of different points during the trial you had concluded he was guilty. Is that correct? Let me give you an example. You indicate riding back from Moselle that you and 3 other people were in a car and you all decided adamantly, I think was the word you used, that he was guilty, that he had killed his wife and son. Is that what you put in the book?
I can't remember if I put that in the book, but if you say I did, then I will
Did
agree
that
with
happen?
you. We did have a conversation about what each of us thought,
And they all 4 agreed that he was guilty, correct?
and none of us were jurors.
No, trust me, I know that. Okay. But the 4 of y'all rode out there and based on what, and I mean, I can, you want me to read to you how chilled you were and how you felt that poor Paul and Maggie been executed by him on that scene, that visiting the scene convinced you that he was a horrible, horrible murderer? You want me to read that to you, or you will concede that's what you wrote?
I will concede that's what I wrote, but if I may, I would say that a lot of that is poetic license in writing a book and in
Well,
making it sound like that.